Ever wonder why food from a real chef tastes better than yours, even when you follow the same recipe? The answer isn't just skill. It's science, psychology, and a few secrets hidden in plain sight. Chefs don't season once, they season throughout. Each stage builds depth, so flavors bloom instead of blending into one note. It's not magic, it's chemistry. The Maillard reaction happens when proteins and sugars brown under heat, creating hundreds of new flavor compounds. That's why chefs chase the sear. Butter, olive oil, cream. Chefs aren't just adding richness. Fat literally binds to aromatic compounds and helps flavor stay on your tongue longer. Temperature changes how you taste. Cold dulls flavor, while warmth enhances aroma. That's why chefs warm plates, rest meat, and time dishes perfectly. We eat with our eyes first. Studies show that plating, color, and even plate shape influence how we think food will taste. So when you cook, remember, flavor isn't luck. It's chemistry, psychology, and just a little bit of art. That's the secret behind every chef's dish. Next time on Secret Flavor, the secret ingredient that changed the world.